Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 2858 29th Avenue West. The date is Monday, September 9th, I believe. Yep, Monday, September 9th, 2019. What we're looking at here is about 105 feet down the line. Old concrete line. I'm recording this from the clean out here in the bathroom of the basement. When I arrived on site, the line was clogged. I used the cable, unclogged it, and now we're taking a look. So I'm going to pull back from 109 feet. That's the length of my camera reel. So you see a root there on the left. Another decent root here. So the cable already went through those a couple times. And there's still a significant amount of root still hanging on there. So jetting would be an option to take care of those. This is his 6-inch concrete line. I'm going to be coming back and hopping to 4-inch here in a minute. That could be the 4x6 there. You see a small root there on the left side of your screen. I'm going to flip the camera over, get it oriented the right direction. Okay, so the pipe's taking a dive there at about 70 feet. Okay, we're going to come back to a turn here shortly. So there's something tying in on the left side of the screen. We're going to come to a 90. Right there is where the clog occurred. So we got a root ball coming in. Root there mixed with a 90-degree turn. That's what caused our backup. So that root I've already cabled through a number of times. That's what remains of it, so it must have been pretty significant. We got here. There's another 90-degree turn right as we exit the cast iron line. So cast iron to concrete right there. Another 90-degree turn of some concern. This one's holding up a little better than that other one, but still old and worn out. Alright. So there's the clean out we went through. Technician today was Casey. And signing out.